How much does it really cost to send your child to Liberty University Online Academy? I'll answer it next. Hey there, everybody. It's Tracy from teachmetracy.com. On this channel, you're going to see videos all about the tips, tools, and tricks to thrive in a homeschool lifestyle. Today, we're answering more questions about Liberty University Online Academy. It's becoming more popular as more people decide that they want to check out of the public school system, and they either want to keep their kids at home with them, or they find regular private school tuition is too expensive. So today, I'm going to give you a breakdown of what the tuition costs within the grade levels, and I'll give you some information about the admissions process. So if you're just coming to my channel, you might notice that there's quite a few videos there on Liberty University Online Academy. I don't get paid in any way, shape, or form to make these videos on Liberty University Online Academy. It is the curriculum that we use to homeschool, and I believe that it is one of the best options available to you right now. It is lower on the cost range, and the parents actually are teaching the curriculum. So they give you the correct curriculum. Clearly, Liberty does a better job of teaching someone how to speak than I learned how to speak, right? Anyway, Liberty gives the curriculum to the parents, and then it is the parent's job or the caregiver's job, whoever's teaching the child, to execute the curriculum and make sure it gets turned in with assignment. The great thing about Liberty is there's backup on the administrative end. So you have a teacher that's assigned to you, you have a guidance counselor that's assigned to you, and there are other resources that you can take advantage of. It is accredited, and there is no Common Core, and everything's taught from a biblical worldview. So if those tick all of your boxes, then Liberty is somewhere that you probably want to consider. So how much does it cost? Get to the bottom line, Tracy. How much does it cost? So here is a tuition breakdown. For kindergarten, you're going to get 3 subjects. Those subjects are literacy, Bible, and math. And that tuition at the time of this video, it's going to run you $1,647 for the year. First grade tuition for 4 subjects, that is literacy, Bible, math, and then history is one half of the year, and science is the other part of the year. So they're combined into one, so they count that as 4 subjects. That tuition for the year at the time of this video is $2,196 per year. The next price tier goes from 2nd grade to 8th grade, and that includes 5 subjects. That is literacy, math, science, history and geography, and Bible. And the tuition for 2nd grade through 8th grade is $2,475 per year. 9th through 12th grade is a different structure. So they give 26 credits for 9th grade through 12th grade. And that tuition is $3,568.50. I don't know why the 50 cents, but there is an extra 50 cents, and that's for the year. There are a few things I want you to be aware of. One, there are payment plans, and to set up the payment plan, they will charge you a $50 one-time fee. This is actually how we pay our tuition. We don't pay it in full because there's no discount, so there's no advantage to paying it 1 year in advance. And so that's the reason we don't do it. It's just more convenient to pay it monthly. And so we do that as well. The second thing I want you to be aware of is that if for some reason your credit card is declined, or it happened to us this year, so make sure you're on top of it is all I'm saying, because we actually paid off a credit card and closed the account, and then I forgot to update our account on Liberty, and we got charged a $35 fee because they couldn't charge the account. So make sure that you stay on top of it, because they will charge you a $35 fee for it not going through. And it is something that you sign up and agree to. So just be aware of that. And two more things that I want to make you aware of. If you have a high schooler that's interested in a dual enrollment program, you can sign up for a dual enrollment, but there obviously are additional fees that are accumulated with that. And there are additional electives that your high schooler can also take, but there are additional fees with that. And you can certainly find that out on the website. They also offer the students the opportunity to join clubs while they are attending Liberty University Online Academy. So for example, my son right now is involved with a book club, and they meet once a month over WebEx, and you get to see all of the kiddos that are in the book club. And then there's a message board. So she posts a question every month, and the kids have to interact with each other that way. And then there's a project that's due every month also. So it gives them a chance to practice their public speaking skills. And it's super, super cheap. It's $20 for the whole year. Also be aware that admissions can take from a few days up to a couple of weeks, or it can be pending a placement test. Liberty's not going to be able to admit your student until they know where the student is. So I would just recommend that you talk to a counselor and find out from them what they need. That's what I did when I called about Liberty University. In our case, since we were starting with kindergarten, there was no transcript. And so they just admitted Eric right away. If you're someone who needs to get the 504 in place, they have folks that can help you out with that. And if you missed my last video on how to get help at Liberty University, I can link it above in the iCard so you can watch it when you have a chance. The phone number for admissions is 866-418-8741. And there is also a chat feature if you don't want to call someone on the phone. Also, if you want to just email them, you can email them at luoainfo@liberty.edu, and you can ask them their question there, and they're very responsive. Just so you know though, if you need to talk to a live person, or you want to use the chat feature, it's only available Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. So I hope that answers all the questions that you might have about how much it costs. Don't forget to go to my website and get your free scavenger hunt downloads. And also there's some great hands-on activities for your homeschool students to do, or you can do them on the weekend if you're not homeschooling. There's some great, super simple from preschool to about 5th grade hands-on activities. They're a lot of fun. So check them out and let me know what you think. Please leave me a comment below if you want me to answer any other questions about Liberty's program or the curriculum or how it works. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.